Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong, napaunlarin ang mahal.
We may now be seated. We are gathered here for the 2025 Subaybayani Awards, the DILG's National Recognition Program honoring exemplary local government units that champion participatory governance, citizen engagement, and transparent implementation of local infrastructure projects. We now call on Secretary Juanito Victor C. Remulla to deliver his message, provide an overview of the 2025 Subaybayani Awards, and to introduce our guest of honor and speaker.
Your Excellency, President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., mayors, governors, members of the cabinet, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Wala kasi akong salamin. Through the earliest work, the vision of Bagong Pilipinas becomes real, faster service, better service, and honest service. At this point, allow me to express our gratitude to our partner institutions who made this possible. Special thanks to Manila Water, Manila Water, for supporting today's celebration. Your commitment to community development reflects the values we honor this afternoon. Maraming salamat, Manila Water Corporation. Sa ating mga subaybayani, maraming salamat sa inyong paglilingkod. Ipagpatuloy ninyo ang paghahatid ng pag-asa sa pagbuo ng mas matatag na komunidad sa bawat sulok ng bansa. Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay po ang ating lingkod bayan. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Yung ABP? ABP pa ba ito? Wala na. Okay.
Kindly direct your attention to the screen for an overview of the 2025 Subaybayani Awards. Without further ado, welcome to the 2025 Subaybayani Award.
This is the DILG's National Recognition Program, honoring exemplary LGUs that champion participatory governance, citizen engagement, and transparent implementation of local infrastructure projects.
The Subaybayani Awards stand as a tribute to our local government units who leads with transparency, who open their governance processes to their people, and to show that meaningful development happens when citizens are part of the journey. Subaybayani has become a space where we witness how small actions spark big impact. Dito natin naririnig ang mga kwento ng pagbabago. As we honor our awardees, we also celebrate our engineers, our planners, community volunteers, civil society partners, and local leaders who continues to champion participatory and transparent governance. Ang inyong sipag, malasakit, at integridad ang tunay na puso ng subaybayan.
Sa ating mga subaybayani, mga awardees, maraming salamat sa inyong paglilingkod. Ipagpatuloy ninyo ang paghahatid ng pag-asa at pagbuo ng mas matatag na komunidad sa bawat sulok ng bansa. Mabuhay po kayo, maraming salamat at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to our DILG Secretary John Vic. Please take your seat. Secretary John Vic Remulla, ULAP National President and Quirino Governor Doc Secua, the honorable local government officials who are with us here today, awardees of the 2025 Subaybayani Awards, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Kinikilala natin ngayon ang mga lokal na pamahalaan at ilang DILG regional offices na piniling mamahala at gampanan ang kanilang tungkulin ng mahusay, tapat, at may malasakit sa kanilang nasasakupan. Napatunayan nila ito sa paghikayat sa mamamayan na makilahok sa mga proyekto ng kanilang bayan, lungsod o probinsya, at sa pagsubaybay sa mga lokal na infrastruktura na pinondohan ng taong bayan. Kaya naman, sa pagkilala natin sa mga LGU at DILG na regional offices na binigyan natin ng parangal sa Subaybayani Awards ngayong taon, pinatitibay natin na maging likas sa atin ang malinis, bukas at tapat na pamamahala. Dahil sa maayos na pagsusunod sa mga plano, ipinamalas ninyo ang husay sa paghahatid ng maayos at dekalidad na infrastruktura, mapasimpleng multipurpose building man o malawakang provincial road. Ipinakita ninyo na kapag may datos, may basihan, kapag may proseso, may direksyon. At kapag may resulta, may tiwala naman ang taong bayan sa atin. Tandaan natin na ang mamamayang Pilipino ay nagmamasid at may karapatang pumuna. At tayong mga nasa gobyerno, ang tagapanday at tagahatid ng tunay at maaasahan na serbisyo. Noong Lunes lamang, inilunsad natin ang DPWH Transparency Portal. Layo nitong masiguro na ang mga infrastruktura ay nakikita, nasusuri, nababantayan at napapakinabangan. Dito masusundan ng taong bayan ang bawat hakbang ng mga proyekto ng pamahalaan. Mula sa procurement process, sa paglalatag ng mga pundasyon, hanggang sa tuluyang magamit ng komunidad ang mga nasabing proyekto. Inaasahan natin na kapag bukas tayo sa publiko, mas titibay ang kanilang tiwala sa gobyerno, mas lalawak pa ang kanilang pakikipagbahagi sa ating pagbabago. Maliwanag sa mga kwento ng most significant change stories ang tunay na epekto ng mabuting pamamahala, mga salaysay ng pagbabago. Ito ang mga aksyong dapat pamarisan, mga aral na dapat ibahagi, at mga tagumpay na dapat ipagmalaki. Naway magsilbing gabay at inspirasyon ng mga karanasan ng ating mga mamamayan upang umunlad ang ating mga komunidad. So, to all 126 LGUs who have been hailed as exemplars, the 9 top overall performers, the 3 DILG-ROs who have demonstrated strong collaboration, transparent processes, and proactive efforts, keep up the good work. Continue to show that the public can trust and rely on their public servants. High quality High quality remains our standard. A government worthy of its people does not settle for mediocrity, does not cut corners, does not waver. We strive for excellence because that is what our citizens deserve, and that is what our country deserves. So let us prove that when the public has access to government processes, they become more empowered as our partners in promoting accountability. That is why, and I say this with my as a firm belief, we must further strengthen and open and participative governance at all levels. I thank our partners from the Manila Water Company for your steadfast support in the government's efforts in participatory governance, citizen engagement, and evidence-based monitoring. Kasama sa tagumpay ng anumang proyekto ng gobyerno, ang mga lingkod bayan na araw-araw ay nag-aalay ng kanilang oras at talino ng tapat at buong puso. Kaya po, ang magandang halimbawa na matatag pa rin ang puso ng serbisyo publika sa ating bansa. Mga kababayan, ang bagong Pilipinas ay hindi itinatayo ng isang leader lamang, hindi itinatayo ng isang sektor o isang institusyon lamang. Ito ay binubuo ng bawat kawani ng pamahalaan na tapat na naglilingkod sa ating kapwa at bawat mamamayan na handang makibahagi sa mga proyekto ng pamahalaan. So once again, congratulations to all our awardees. Mabuhay ang ating mga subaybayani. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you for your encouraging words, Mr. President. May we now invite the President to stay on stage as we request a photo with our awardees. May we also request Secretary Remulla to join the President. For our first set, may we request the top LGU and regional offices awardees to please proceed on stage, together with your plaques and trophies. Thank you. May we request our top LGUs, the top 3 provinces, top 3 cities, and top 3 municipalities to join the President on stage for a photo opportunity. Top 10 Best Provinces awardees, kindly stand by. Top 10 Best Provinces, kindly stand by and proceed here. Thank you. Thank you. Please exit to your right. Now may we call the top 10 Best Provinces awardees. Kindly proceed on stage. May we request that the 3 other governors to please remain on stage for the top 10 provinces photo opportunity. Top 10 Best Cities awardees, please stand by. Our national finalists, kindly stand by and proceed here at the right side of the stage. Thank you. Please exit to your right. Now we welcome the top 10 best cities. Top 10 best municipalities awardees, kindly come here to prepare. Thank you. please exit to your right. Top 10 Best Municipalities awardees, please proceed on stage. Thank you. Please exit to your right. May we now invite the President and our distinguished speakers to proceed downstage for a photo opportunity with all our attendees. May we now request everyone to stand together in the middle and come a bit closer to the front for a group photo. May we request our DILG officials and top performers to also bring their trophies. May we request everyone to please come closer and find a spot wherein your face will be seen on the camera. Mr. President, are you ready? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mr. President. Can you wave your hand, everyone? Thank you so much. And that ends our photo opportunity. Congratulations once more to our awardees, and thank you, our dear Mr. President. That concludes our program. Thank you, Mr. President, for gracing us with your presence. Once again, ladies